pray for a healing shrine. Even with a healing shrine, though, this could end up hurting. I'm gonna have to sprint through now. I literally am gonna have to sprint through because they are catching me. They're using their mobility. Come on, pray for a shrine, please. No, there's no shrine. Okay, well, we're gonna die, but we might as well die in style. Oh, shit. Mobs reset. How many more to go? A few. There's a few. Oh, shit. Hey. I didn't need a shrine, apparently. I didn't need a shrine. Is there anyone else?